Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi S3 versus Ford Focus RS full comparison. We start by outlining core differences in chassis, drivetrain, and intended use. Next, I walk through engine feel, cornering traits, and daily usability. Then I cover expected maintenance and typical ownership expenses. Stay tuned as I point out who should choose which car based on driving style, budget, and long-term priorities. Here we dig into how each car drives on road and track. The Audi S3 feels settled with predictable grip from its all-wheel drive setup, while the Focus RS leans into raw character and sharper turn-in. I describe throttle mapping, steering feedback, and brake feel so you understand the trade-offs between refinement and visceral engagement. Use these notes to match a car to your driving preferences. Quick recommendation: if you carry performance driving snacks or a packed lunch, these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and prevent turbocharged spills during spirited drives. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and travel well in a center console or backpack. If you want to grab a set, check the description for the link and other deals. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we consider daily life with either car, covering seats, cargo, and comfort for commutes. I explain cabin materials, infotainment usability, and rear seat practicality so you know what to expect for passengers. Then I discuss running costs including fuel economy tendencies, insurance factors, and common repair items you may face. This helps you weigh short-term thrills against sensible long-term ownership realities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.